POV, you have no plans, so you go to Tanjong Beach. Hey everyone, today I decided to take a trip to Tanjong Beach for half a day. Here is what I did for the day. Enjoying the views by the sea. Fun fact, did you know that there are only 10 to 15 kayaking spots in Singapore? Of those, this is one of the best. All the boats you see here are cargo ships carrying goods. This statue you see here is a juxtaposition of both ice cream and a lobster. Pretty cool, right? One of the only tourist spots that allows water sports is Tanjong Beach, so do visit. This is a bird's nest fern. What an interesting name. What a view! Just enjoy! Spot a little guest. If you're lucky, you might see certain guests like these. This is an Asian small blood otter, quite rare in Singapore. Last visit from some minutes before I leave. As you can see, there are trams available to go back to the beach station. Enjoy the full monorail ride back to VivoCity. Welcome to VivoCity. Look at the pattern of waves. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.